In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a member to a Todoist project. Sharing your project with teammates, friends, or family makes it much easier to collaborate and keep everyone on the same page. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to invite someone to work with you in Todoist. First, open the project you want to share. Make sure you're logged into your Todoist account, then look at your project list on the left side of the screen. Click on the specific project where you want to add a member. This will open the full project view showing all the tasks, sections, and details inside that project. Confirm that you're in the correct project before moving on, because you will be giving people access to everything contained there. Next, look for the share option. Depending on your layout and the device you're using, this is usually found near the top of the project window, often represented by an icon that looks like a person, a plus sign, or the word share. Click on that. This opens the sharing or invite panel where you can manage who has access to your project. Now you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. This is where you invite the person you want to add. Carefully type the email they use for their Todoist account, or the email where they'd like to receive the invitation. Take a moment to double check the spelling, because if there's a typo, the invitation might not reach the right person. Once the email is entered, follow the on-screen prompts. Todoist may show you options such as confirming the invite, adjusting permissions, or sending the invitation immediately. Simply continue by clicking the appropriate buttons like invite or send. The person you invited will receive an email or in-app notification asking them to join your project. After they accept, they'll appear in your project's member list and will be able to see and collaborate on all the tasks inside that project. That's all there is to it. By opening your project, clicking share, typing in the email and following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly add new members and turn any solo project into a collaborative workspace in Todoist.